We have this Herculift Garage door motor and controller today, and this is the controller for this motor, and this is the motor. We have received this one controller and motor, and this two remote, as you can see, and one this accessories. How we have to make it operational? This is the plug, just need to plug in, and as you can see, along with the motor there is this cable. One is motor cable and there is one is for limit cable. Motor cable will be connected as per your location of motor. Suppose you are installing your motor right side, then there is right R, and you have to this plug in R. If you are installing motor left side of the shutter, then you have to plug in left side. L is there and R is there, and this is the limit connector, and just we have to plug in beside of the L and R. And this is the all terminals are the, suppose you have photo cells, we have door lock, we have, if you have any other accessories require 24-volt power supply, we have power supply there. We have push button, single station push button, we can connect here, and just we need to connect this two terminal and switch on the. We have to connect this MCB fuse also. Along with this motor, you will receive the fuse. This one, just need to connect this fuse there, as you can see. Now you switch on the power. LED will start glowing. Now just press this button. Motor is opening on the way stop, and this is closing. For the limit setting, the shutter limit settings in the motors, beside of motors we have this switch. Two switches are there, one for open and one for close. Just we need to set this one by opening this one and take it to there. This will be set to the close limit, and once you will open this one, take wherever the limit is there and tight. This will be the closing limit. Suppose the door is closing, this door is opening now, and now the open limit reached. Now once we will press the button, door is closing now. This is close limit. This will touch and you will receive the close limit. And now we have one push button here, single station push button to be connected. As you can see, this limit switch, two wire from NO we have connected there on the button terminal, first terminal 8 and 9. Just press this button, door is opening, door is closing. You will receive this two-piece remote already programmed.